There was a time when I was scared of speaking in English. Not because I didn't want to, but because I was scared of messing up. What if people laugh? What if I said something wrong? These were the questions I used to face. If you have ever felt the same fear, you are not alone. In this video, I will be telling you 5 easy steps that I personally used in order to speak confidently in English without any coaching or big grammar books. So kindly make sure to watch the video till the very end. I remember one day a teacher told to introduce myself in English and all I could say was my name is Anshika and that's all, then blank. Everyone laughed, my heart broke, but you know what? For years I believed that I could not speak in English. But something changed. It was not a coaching class, it was not an online course, but it was my mindset. And these 5 steps, simple things anyone can do at home. And I promise if anyone do just 3 of them, the confidence will explode. Step 1 is the mirror rule. In this, what you're gonna do is that just speak. Speak anything in front of the mirror. Doesn't matter what you're saying, doesn't matter if you're fluent or not. What matters is that you just need to speak in front of a mirror. What has happened throughout the day? What did you do? What happened right? What happened wrong? What did you did wrong? And regrets or maybe whatever the achievements of the day are, the gratitude, everything you can tell to yourself, right? Because fluency is just like brushing your teeth. It gets better when you are doing it consistently, right? So consistency is the key in speaking English fluently, right? So you need to just do it. Then the second step that we are gonna follow, think in English, not translate. Biggest mistake is translating from Hindi to English, right? You can start small, but think in English in your mind. You need to make sentences in English in your mind and do not make them in Hindi, right? That will crush your confidence. Think in English for 1 minute for every hour. Slowly increase it, right? For in 1 hour you'll think in English for 1 minute and then slowly you will be increasing the time to speak in English. You know what? When you train your mind to think in English, your tongue will automatically follow it. Step 3 is record yourself. Then listen it. In this, what you're gonna do is that you need to record yourself for 30 seconds a day and then you need to analyze, you need to listen to your voice and find the mistakes, what you are doing wrong, what the improvements can be, what you can improve on, right? So you need to listen that and analyze, but first record yourself. You will improve faster when you become your own teacher. Step 4 is watch, copy and repeat. You need to watch content in English. You need to watch movies, web series or content or podcast in English. You need to analyze the person who is speaking English, what their tone is, how they're expressing, like when people speak, what their tone actually is, intonation, the expressions, how they're speaking, right? Every way you need to analyze and then you need to copy them, right? And then keep on repeating these things. Like you watch the movie, then you need to recite those lines, those dialogues just like the actor, okay? Learn to speak like your favorite characters, your favorite people, and definitely it works. Step 5 is find a speaking buddy or use AI. If you have a friend who is also learning to speak in English, who also wants to make their English fluent, speak with them for 10 minutes a day, okay? And if you don't have any friend and you feel very ashamed, you feel very embarrassed in front of people speaking in your broken English, so what you can do is you can speak to ChatGPT. You can speak to those AI tools which can help you like in English speaking, right? So you can talk to ChatGPT, you can tell him whatever the things are and then they'll talk with you in English, okay? I'll give you the prompt and description. You can see what the things you need to write in ChatGPT so that you can talk with him, right? So you need to practice speaking daily. Fluency is not learned in a single conversation. Fluency is not learned alone. It gets better when you're conversating, right? Fluency is not learned alone. It gets better with conversation. Look, I know that how frustrated it feels when you want to speak in English but you couldn't. Those words just doesn't come out from your mouth. And I've been there. I can feel you. And honestly, I still make mistakes sometimes, but that's okay. That's life. That's how you learn, right? Fluency doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being consistent, right? So if this video made a tiny difference in your life, please subscribe to this channel and share a heart in the comment section. So that I know that I'm not alone. We are together in this journey. And if you're serious about learning English, then please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this with your friends so that you can help them too, right? And we all of us can learn together. And yeah, so let's grow together one step at a time and we are good to go. I'll make sure that you learn everything, even if you're a beginner, even if you're a complete beginner, right? I will help you till the very end so that you can become fluent in English speaking. Till then, keep smiling and bye. I'll meet you next time with a new and a great video. And if you have any other suggestions for the videos you want, please suggest whatever you want to see and I'll make sure to make videos on those topics. Okay? Till then, bye bye.